In this video, we're going to look at how to receive input and how to display output using Python. Within Python, when you want to assign a value to, you would type the variable name followed by the equals, which is the assignment operator, and the value. To receive input, you would do something similar. You would have the variable name followed by the equals, and then you would call a function called input, and this would wait for the user to type some string as input, and it would assign it to the variable. So here, when I type the number 5 and press enter, the value 5 has been stored in the variable x. If you look at the type of this variable, it's a string, it's not an integer. If you just type x and press enter, you can see that you have the quotation marks around it. You can convert it into an integer by passing it to the int function. So you could combine the call to input and the call to the int function by nesting them like this. You can call the int function with the output of the input function, with the return value of the input function. So when you do that, you now have a number instead of a string. To display output, you could just pass in the variable to the print function. If you want to combine the output of a variable containing a number, for example, and a string, you would have to convert the variable into a string, and just like we converted the string input using the int function, you can use str to convert it to a string. So this is how you can get input into your Python script using the input function, and how you can display output using the print function.